Thank you, my parents.
Oh. Oh, he's got a hold of her. Mine's just gonna be tough. Oh. I like how she turns her back on him.
Get him. Get him. Maggie's gonna sleep good.
Yeah. He may sleep good now if she continues to play with him.
Yep.
He goes, hey, what's in here? Maggie.